This is how you build an app using Lovable. And this is an amazing opportunity to have right now because this is week 3. I'm going to be sharing with you step by step each week what my progress is, so you're able to see exactly what I'm going through and how I'm handling any issues and problems with launching my own app using a no-code AI app builder, Lovable. Lovable is a great platform. Unlike other kind of app builders out there, I've tried Replit, I've tried Bolt, and this one, Lovable, is definitely my favorite. It's an easy tool to use. You just converse with it like you're speaking with a developer. If you have an idea, it'll come up with a great idea from start. And I'll be sharing with you one of the prompts that I use to quickly jumpstart my app that helped me come up with this entire app. Without further ado, my name is Iglesia. I'm the co-founder of Product Champ. What I'm going to be sharing with you today is our app that we are putting into the Lovable Ship contest. And this is a contest that's all around the world. Everyone from America across to the European nations, Africa, India, South America, everyone is involved in this awesome product, in this project. And the great thing about it is that we're able to get a real life solution out into the real world, really just revolutionize any kind of industry. This is a big deal if you want to grow your practice, clinic, or service business. This allows you to have a specific tool, a digital product that is yours, and it doesn't cost a lot of money to do. It's less than $30 per month, and when you connect your database, it's only another $25 per month. Starting off like that is pretty simple. You just connect your Stripe account, and that's exactly what I did. This is Bookbound AI. This week, I was able to get my website up. I was able to connect a payment processor. I got my first beta users into here as well. So if you are unfamiliar with Bookbound AI, I put my agency website in my profile for the ship programs. I saw some of your feedback and some of you got confused. So it's an AI ghostwriter, helps you go and write your book in your voice effortlessly, and empowers busy professionals to publish impactful books that sound 100% like them. There is a big company out there also doing an AI book writing app. However, with this app, we have a unique selling proposition, which is adaptive AI interviews. We have a process that allows our system to analyze your content from the website or uploads on your computer or phone and put it right into the app. And our AI ghostwriter will go ahead and learn and create a brand profile for you. It's a revolutionary way to do it. I can show you guys exactly how it looks on the inside. One of the biggest feedback is that people didn't know exactly who we serve. If I go up top, we see coaches, doctors, consultants, entrepreneurs, and then we have some real case studies and real facts that we got from our research. We anonymized our customer client profile over here, which is a true day-to-day thing that people go through. So that's a use case that we have there. Then we also have a process, which is AI that learns your voice, adaptive AI interviews, complete manuscript creation. The result, a book that genuinely sounds like you. It's published in weeks, not months. It's under $800 each year, and it's versus $25,000 to a ghostwriter, and that could increase, and not to mention the time going back and forth. Then you have a ready for self-publishing or traditional publishing, and then you also increase authority based on figures. So what we did to get these facts and come up with the copy, we used an app that did a lot of product research. It was actually an AI agent. I could leave the link for it down below, but I believe it's this one, BuildPad. Yeah, buildpad.ai, I think, or .io is the website. So I'll leave the link there as well. But it was such a great way to validate ideas. I was able to gather user feedback to see that there was some demand for it. I did get 15-20 survey results from it, but that's totally fine. But diving back into here, it's going right into the pain point of the voice of customer of our avatar. Worried AI can't capture you. Our voice cloning and style matching technology is designed for true authenticity. No tech wizardry required. Our intuitive platform guides you every step of the way. This is your content amplified by technology, not replaced by it. We have our pricing table here, and this is one of the biggest update that we did this week was actually add in our Stripe integration. We have our Stripe account connected. We're ready to go to take trials, have active users. We have a 30-day trial right here. We also have an agency planned for other kind of publishers that would want to go and use our platform to go and manage clients' projects. So that's something that is a little bit later down the roadmap, but people could still inquire about it. But the main thing here is just getting into here. We have a nice toggle switch to show annual. And then we also have final call to action here. That is write your next book, join the future of book publishing, start writing your book today. So we do have this all changed out. So I'm going to go ahead and open this in a new tab over here. This is Bookbound AI book writer, transform your expertise. We have the favicon and also the site title and description if we were to search for this on Google. And what we have over here is built with Lovable, 100% built with Lovable inside and out. So we can go ahead and hit this. If we were a new user, this is what it would look like. So let's open this up into a new tab. Let me open the private window. We'll do new private window and we'll just paste in, just type it in, bookboundai.com. And now we have sign in, get started, because we were signed in before. So what we can do is hit sign in, or actually let's sign up for free because we saw that awesome call to action. We can go ahead and hit sign in or create an account right here, continue with Google. So let's continue with Google. We're going to go and log into my test account right here. So this is what the new user flow would look like. No one could get past without having an active trial or plan. We were able to set up those instructions in Supabase effortlessly using Lovable. For those of you who are new to this, just talk to Lovable and have it explain to you what a database is. I have a tech background. I'm not a full programmer. I'm a certified digital marketing specialist and AI automation specialist. And this is just here to help me. And this helps out a lot of other people as well. So don't be discouraged when I use technical terms like database. That's essentially where users are able to get stored important information, certain API keys, which allow you to communicate with different apps. We'll walk you through that. And the biggest thing too, what I love about this, and you can see I can hit start 30-day trial, and it's going to take me into the checkout sequence. It sent me a code on my phone already. So you can see that this is ready to go. It's such a powerful app. I'm blown away by it. And we could go to dashboard and you see it'll pop up with it. And even if people were to delete this, I made it so it won't access any of the buttons or the book feature. We did a lot of security on our end for that so people can't game the system a little bit. We have the credit systems over here. Once we get them signed up, they'll be able to see the exact flow. So this is what it'll look like. We'll go to dashboard. One of the biggest things, I wanted to have a bulk management section over here. So what I want to do is just get rid of certain books over here. So I'm going to leave the top. That's a little bug right there. That's okay. So we'll click that again, go to dashboard, and we'll just go ahead and still hit select all. And what I'm going to do is unselect that. And it's probably because I clicked it and hit delete selected. And it's asking me to confirm by typing in the word delete. It'll start deleting the 64 projects here, and it might take some time. That's okay. So there we go. We were able to delete that. Now, if we click this, page not found, that's okay. So we're going to click here again and get rid of these projects. We're going to hit select all again, delete, because this is probably just prior data. I had to do a lot of base stuff over here. So now this is our new editor. This is something that I've been really excited to do. So we're able to talk with the AI assistant. I have to enable the microphone icon, but it does have speech to text, so I can converse with the AI writing coach intuitively. So that's why it's going to be helping me in this whole process. What I can do is just discover trending topics and explore your book concept, and start typing here or use the AI assistant to get started. So it's saying, let's start with understanding you and your expertise. What topic or area are you most passionate about, and what unique insights or experience do you have that could help others? We use AI automation to capture patients 24/7. So business, so practices or holistic practitioners, let's say holistic health practitioners. So holistic health practitioners pay $5,000 plus per month on missed sale opportunities. Boom. So we're going to have a conversation with the AI writing coach. And this is powered by Gemini. And we also are using Perplexity as well for a lot of the research capabilities. So it's doing a lot of the thinking right now. So we're just going to go through this process real quick. We'll demonstrate that and continue to have our users test this out and build up their book. In this video, I didn't show it to you guys, but we have that whole brand profile, brand voice section in the account settings. So the AI is going to go ahead and use that in this system over here. So it says, that's awesome. Your approach to using AI automation to help holistic health practitioners reclaim lost sales opportunities is super compelling and clearly rooted in real results. Can you tell me what first inspired you to focus on helping holistic practitioners specifically? Was there a moment or personal experience that made you realize how much they needed this kind of solution? So essentially it's the 6-day process where we then generate a whole entire manuscript, and then that's the exact process we'll be going through. Okay, so I'm not going to go through that whole entire thing right here, but let's go ahead and hit generate over here. So I just hit generate over there, and it's going into the chat, and one of the things that it should be doing is inputting this into this side over here. For next week's update, that's going to be fixed probably by tomorrow, but it's helping us brainstorm these specific ideas. We can continue still with the interview as well, because it does have persistent memory. It's going to be able to pull in that information. We're also going to fix the formatting, so it's actually going to understand the markup language here. So essentially it'll have those readability formatting there. So essentially it came up with different topics, given your expertise of AI automation, digital marketing, and your passion for holistic health, plus your personal plant-based journey. It's pulling in the information. I'll show you exactly where that's from too, because that's incredible. And then over here, AI for holistic health, how automation can save your practice and transform your patient care. Practical guide for holistic practitioners to grow their business and reclaim lost sales using AI powered system. Now I'm going to lean towards the 24/7 patient capture blueprint, because that's something that I'm going to be creating. So I'm going to say I want to number 2, and essentially gonna understand that topic from here and just from this conversation context here. And it says, fantastic, Chris, the 24/7 patient capture blueprint, unlocking hidden revenue in holistic practices, is a powerful and actionable concept that aligns perfectly with your expertise and what you do at Product Champ. To make sure your book really hits the mark, let's go a little deeper. Who do you imagine as your ideal reader? Are they newer holistic practitioners, established ones looking to scale, or another specific group? Over here, it's just continuing to interview me here, and essentially we can start pasting this in here, but ideally we don't want to be copying and pasting. We want it to generate in real time. So I'm going to go over here, paste that in, and I'm also going to make sure to have a save button too, so it saves and auto saves consistently. And then we're going to want to put a history so people can see specific versions of the specific section that they're working on in their writing process. This is a very powerful process right here that we're going to be using, and it's all supposed to just feed into one another. So we're going to keep on developing this writing process, but you can see already how awesome this is going. So I'm just going to hit next step just so it saves. Go to previous step. We still have our conversation. So I'm going to go back to dashboard, and we want to be able to actually rename this stuff over here too, because it says new book project. We hit rename project here, but it doesn't come up with anything. So that's something that we're going to have to change as well. But these are things that I need to delete. It said fail to delete project. That's something we'll look into. We have 3 active projects, so it comes up with a specific dashboard to reflect and show the progress and the growth that you're doing as a user on our platform of completed books, the word generated active projects. Lovable is a very powerful app builder platform. I hit my limit. We get 5 credits used per day. When you go into agent mode, it does consume more credits. It's such a powerful way to actually get working apps, usually off the rip. You go back and forth, but it fixes the error immediately. You know how many times you've run into something and it doesn't work? With Lovable, you don't have to worry. You just tell it exactly what to do and it takes care of it. So essentially, one of the issues that came up is assigning user roles, right? And making sure I'm able to use a test account and have this app owner privilege, which is an exact role that I had, as well as editor, app admin. So if I want to have team members, they can have app admin and sign up at, not as that in the sign up page. I would have to do it on the back end via Superbase, but it's very to manage, and there's tutorials that go through that too. And I'll go through those videos as well in the specific series throughout the program, because we're halfway through it. This is the 3rd week of the submission. I would love your feedback on the app. Go through it, the sign up process. It is a 30-day trial. You do have to put your credit card in, but you can cancel at any time from just demoing it and everything. So essentially, just let us know if there's any kind of issues, and we'll be happy to help you. This is such a great platform to use. It will help you in your practice or your team out. It could be something that helps you with your lab results and analyzing things like that. You'll be able to create things like that by implementing this. Will help you out with your practice and save time. If you want to shortcut your time in the process, go ahead and click the link below and book a call with me, and we can discuss building your next app or your AI automation. Act as an AI employee in your business, not to replace your team, but to be a healthy addition that will help you scale and be more efficient in your business. Subscribe so you can continue seeing this process. Like the video if you learned something from this, and just to support and other people could see exactly the legit growth from this, instead of people seeing those long flashy videos where people are like, I just launched $1 million app using this, and you don't get to see the come up from it. So follow along, subscribe to my channel, and you'll see all my updates. I look forward to seeing you guys in the upcoming video and becoming users of this platform. I'm going to be doing some access over here in automations to connect to my CRM as well. So a lot of that is going to be my focus for week 4 going further. I just want to say rest in peace to my grandmother. She passed away last week when I was working on this. A lot of the times we get in our heads, but you have to give yourself time to feel those things and make time to be with family during tough times. She was 97 years old. She was great grandma. She was loved by many. Unfortunately, I didn't spend enough time with her, so I didn't get to see her. Luckily, I'll be able to go ahead and see my family, rekindle the connections and everything. I'm becoming closer again with them, and it's awesome seeing us all come together and do that group chat. Life does happen. Show that vulnerability, go through the grieving process, and take your time with things. As business owners, you still have customers to serve, especially if you're by yourself in a partnership or have a small team. The show must go on, so you still have to have systems in place and still execute on what you're doing. It may be hard, it may be difficult, and trust me, like, it was hard, and I've taken time and everything, but that's essentially what happens and everything too. That's the kind of authenticity that I'm going to be sharing with you guys too, because it is hard, right? So it's very useful to see the struggle coming up and how to overcome it. So you're not alone. Comment down below and I'll answer any questions that you have about developing your next app. Let me know some other video suggestions that you would like to see on this channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next update.